Hello, future Mountaineers. My name is Sabrina Ridenour, and I am a 2017 graduate of West Virginia University, where I pursued a Bachelor of Science in Mechanical Engineering and a minor in Vocal Performance. I grew up in Frostburg, Maryland, and now I reside in the Metro Detroit area, working for General Motors as a controls design engineer. I've been asked why WVU a lot actually, and to tell you the truth, I chose it for the quality education backed by a community who genuinely cares for its students. The faculty, professors, alumni, and not only the city of Morgantown, but the entire state of West Virginia supports you as soon as you step foot on campus. And that's something that I never really felt while on other campus tours. WVU prepared me not only to be an engineer, but to really go after the job of my dreams, something that I didn't think was possible. There are so many ways to explore your interests and meet people on campus, which makes this large university have a small school feel. WVU gives you the chance to engage with over 400 student organizations, and if one didn't exist for your interests already, you were encouraged to start your own club, which I actually did as soon as my sophomore year. This allowed me to gain the leadership knowledge that really propelled me into my job interviews and my career at GM. In addition to the leadership experiences, numerous opportunities are presented to gain skills in your field. For me, one of those was becoming a member of the Society of Women Engineers, going to their conferences, and then after several interviews and offers from those conference career fairs, I ended up accepting a summer internship with General Motors as a manufacturing engineer in Arlington, Texas. And the faculty at Statler College were wonderful in supporting my preparation for my internship. One of the professors who teaches a course on manufacturing outside of my Department of Mechanical and Aerospace Engineering, he took the time out of his schedule to help prepare me in the weeks leading up to my summer in the vehicle assembly plant. And he since has kept up with me as I navigate the auto industry and has proven to be a valuable mentor even after graduation. The opportunity to move away from home opened my eyes not only to traveling and understanding other parts of the world, but I learned fast just how vast the Mountaineer alumni family extends and how much they really care. The alumni chapter in Dallas and Fort Worth, Texas took me under their wing, having never met me before, and taught me what the true Mountaineer hospitality is. With that, I learned how valuable these alumni across the globe can be in networking to find new jobs or making new friends. Since my internship, I returned to WVU for my senior year, and all seniors in the Mechanical and Aerospace Department are required to complete a senior design capstone project. So my advisor knew that the EcoCar 3 team, which is an advanced vehicle technology competition, was sponsored by General Motors. So being the great advisor that he is, he highly suggested that I keep that connection and join the team. So I joined the WVU EcoCar 3 team as the system safety lead and a member of the mechanical team. And through EcoCar, I really absorbed new hands-on and industry experience working to integrate the 2016 Chevrolet Camaro into a hybrid electric vehicle. To continue the theme of the passion WVU alumni have for supporting the current students, I gained a mentor through GM who is a WVU alum, all thanks to the EcoCar competition. And this mentor actually helped me secure a job offer from GM in the part of the business that I really wanted to be in, which was product development. The transition to industry after graduating from West Virginia University could not have been easier. I may have moved several hundred miles away, but I have a group of WVU friends also in the automotive industry that I hang out with regularly, and they're pretty great. The education I gained was well diversified in the courses that I took of the mechanical engineering curriculum, and this proved helpful in seeing as though that I started at GM in a 2-year rotation program where every 4 months I switched jobs throughout the company. My degree proved I could work in a vast variety of areas, so I wanted to try them all. And so I've gotten to work on some pretty cool vehicles, and since I work at the GM Proving Grounds in Milford, I have access to driving on hundreds of miles of test tracks And fun fact, I am qualified to drive up to speeds of 100 miles per hour on these tracks, which is pretty cool and fun. Since completing my rotational program in July of 2019, I chose to come back to one of my favorite past rotations, which was electrification charging controls. And now I own the Simulink models for several charging features on all of our EVs. Right now I support the Bolt EV and recently the announced GMC Hummer EV truck, along with several others that I just can't tell you about, so stay tuned. Thinking back on this day several years ago when I was in your shoes, I had no idea of all the doors that would be open to me just from this one decision. I'm so glad that I chose WVU, and I really don't think that I would be where I am today if I hadn't come to Morgantown. So, future Mountaineers, I encourage you to check out the incredible things our alumni are doing and imagine what your future here can mean for you. Best wishes, and let's go Mountaineers.